Here is Ember Earn Bitcoin app. So you can just tap in here. So play games and earn Bitcoin app. Join over 2 million players from 150 plus countries in Ember, the fun and secure way to earn free Bitcoin by playing games with your friends. Free Bitcoin daily, earn Bitcoin rewards daily with a single tap, boost your earnings 10x by referring friends, multiple games, explore 100 exciting games and win Bitcoin, crypto tournaments, prediction markets, crypto investing, invest effortlessly with our expertly designed crypto portfolios or choose from top tokens. So quite popular app, as you can see, in top 200 apps in finance in US App Store. And then you can just allow this, and then you can just easily create an account. Then there is a referral code. I don't have anyone. And then you can just tap this button. And then here it is. So it shows me that I'm earning something. I don't know why. And then you can earn +1 Satoshi per hour per friend invited. So here is my invite code. Basically, feel free to use it. This is a referral code, or this is my referral link, which you can just use in here. So that's what it is, which you can use. And yeah, so there you have it. Then you have your wallet, which is automatically created. You can see your rewards. You can withdraw. I don't know, like whether you can withdraw that. Redeemable sats, 10,000 sats. Redemption must be made in final 2 weeks of the month. So that's what you have. Share Ember to earn more Bitcoin vibrations. There. So there you have it. So this is just for sharing this app, you earning that. And then you also have predictions where you can participate in this kind of prediction and earn Satoshi for that. Then you see games, which you can just play these mini games. So for example, dice, and like you select this and then pay out or win, and then you bet minimum 10 Satoshi. So, and then you can just try that. So that's the idea. This kind of games. And then there are micro tasks. Play and earn. I don't know. So there are also like play and earn for that. So there you have it. And then there are also tournaments, which you can just tap. Best performing portfolio will win Bitcoin prizes. And then you can just shop as well. So kind of the app which takes your attention. 14,000 people online right now in the app. And then you can have wallet, and again, that's basically the idea. So again, feel free to use my referral code in here, and I will get additional studies. So thanks for watching.